Very cheerful morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn English subject. Yes, for that I will take you to library for visit. Okay, come along with me. Yes, dear kids, this is our library, where we used to sit and read the books. Look at here, many your friends are sitting here, and what they are doing? They are reading the books. Okay. Look at here, dear kids. So many books are kept here, and children are sitting and reading books. Okay. Yes, I hope you had enjoyed visiting library. Yes, today's topic is look at the pictures and write the missing vowels. Now, I think you know what is vowels. Last class we had done. That is A, E, I, O and U. These are vowels which we learned in last class. Yes, these are the special alphabets. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to insert only vowel. Okay, beta? Yes. What is this? Fig. So F I G. I is, what is I? I is a vowel. Okay, svar. Then which picture is this? This is tent. Okay. T E N T. Tent. Now E is what? E is a vowel. E is a vowel. Okay. Yes, dear kids. Look at the picture carefully and you have to insert only vowel in the fill in the blanks. Okay. Blank space what we have to write? Only vowels. Okay. Now tell me which alphabet will come, beta? Yes, you are right. B A T, bat. A is a vowel. Okay. Now we will read the spelling also. B A T, bat. Okay. Then which picture is this? This is a frog. Okay. Then F R. What we will insert? O. O is a vowel. Okay. F R O G. Frog. Like this way you have to read also. Okay. Then which picture is this? This is kid. K. What? Which alphabet is left here? I. So we will write I here. I is a vowel. K-I-D, kid. Okay. Then, which picture is this? This is leg. Yes. Now we will insert E here. E is a vowel. Okay. Then, which picture is this? This is nib. N-I-B. Nib. Okay. Now this is cap. C-A-P, cap. Okay. So you have to insert like this way. Okay. One small activity Mrs. arranged for you. So let's see how we will arrange as per the vowels. Come along with me. A. Okay. Now A is a vowel. Now search where is A, spelling A. You have to search spelling along with A vowels. Yes, come on, search where is A vowel spelling. Search. Where is it, beta? Yes, I got it. Cap. C-A-P. Cap. Okay. A is a vowel. Okay. So we will arrange it under A vowel. Okay. The spelling is C-A-P, cap. A is a vowel. Okay. Now search for next spelling. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Search it, search it. Where is the next A sound vowels? A sound spelling. Yes, now search it. Where is the next vowel sound A? Okay, here it is. This is a bat. B-A-T, bat. Okay. A. Now we will arrange it under the A sound. Okay. A. B-A-T, bat. Yes, dear kids. Now search for the next A sound words. Where is it? Yes, here I got it. P-A-N, pan. Come on, come on. Place it under the A. Yes, A. These are all A sound words. Okay. This is cap, C-A-P, cap, B-A-T, bat, then P-A-N, pan. Okay, A sound words. Okay. Now we will search E sound words. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Come along with me. Where is E sound words? Yes, egg. E-G-G, egg. Yes, I had arranged here under E sound words. Okay. Now tell me the next E sound word, which is that? That is leg. Yes, L-E-G, leg. E sound words. Okay. So we will arrange it under the E. Alphabet E. Okay. Yes, next letter. Which is the next word? Yes, that is tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. Yes, I got it. Okay, very good. Yes. Keep it here. Okay, under E sound words. Yes, dear kids, we had arranged A sound words here and E sound words here. Now we will go for I sound words. Okay, so we have to search I sound words. Come on, kids. Now look at here, and which are the I sound words? Yes, I got it. Bin. B-I-N, bin. Now I am going to keep it under the I. Okay, under the I sound words. Then go and search next word. Where is it? Yes, I got it. That is nib. N-I-B, nib. Yes. Next, go for next word. Where is next word? I sound words. Yes, I got it. That is S-I-M, sim. Okay. Yes. Now, our next vowel is O. O vowel. O sound. Now we have to search for O words. Okay. O sound words. Okay. Go for it. Come on, search it. Where is O sound words? Yes, here I got it. T-O-P, top. Yes, here are arranged T-O-P, top. Okay, O sound words. These are O sound words. Now, go for next word. Where is O sound words? Come on, search it. Where is it? It is no. Where is O sound words? Yes, I got it. F-R-O-G, frog. Okay. F-R-O-G, frog. T-O-P, top. Yes, go for next word. Where is the next word? O sound. Oh yes, I got it. P-O-T, pot. Okay, I will keep it here. Pot. This is pot. Okay, P-O-T, pot. Now our last sound is U sound. So you have to arrange the words as per the sound. Search for the words. Come on, search it. Where is it? Yes. Is it this? Yes. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. Yes. Go for the next word. Where is it? Where is it? Is it this? No, 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 no. Is it this? Yes. This is S-U-N, sun. We will arrange O sound words here, okay, under U. Now where is it? Where is it? Yes, this is cup. Okay. Now we'll arrange here O sound, U sound words. Okay. This way you can arrange the vowels and words. Yes, dear kids. Yes. Now I had arranged all the vowels along with their words. Okay. I think you had enjoyed this activity. Okay. Now we will write in the book. Okay. Now we will read all this also. C-A-P, cap. B-A-T, bat. P-A-N, pan. These are A sound words. Now we will read the U sound words. E-double-G, egg. L-E-G, leg. Then T-E-N-T, tent. Now I sound words. B-I-N, bin. N-I-B, nib. P-I-N, pin. T-O-P, top. F-R-O-G, frog. P-O-T, pot. Now U sound words. H-U-T, hut. Sun. C-U-P, cup. Tub. Now dear kids, take out page number. Take out your English textbook and page number 2121. Okay, 2121. Yes. Now what we have to do is look at the picture and write the missing vowels. Okay. So you have to insert only vowels here, beta. Okay. So which picture is this? As you know, F-I. So you have to insert only I. F-I-G, fig. Now you have to insert only I here. N-I-B, nib. Now next is K-I. You have to insert only I-D, kid. Now which picture is this? Bin. So you have to insert only I. B-I-N, bin. You have to insert only B-I-N, I-N, bin. Okay. Now what is this? Which picture is this? Kit. K-I. You have to insert kit. K-I-T. Kit. Okay. What is this? Pit. So you have to insert only I here. P-I-T. Pit. Yes. Which picture is this? Sip. S. You have to write only I. P. Sip. Okay. Yes, which picture is this? Pin. So you have to write P-I. Only you have to write I-N. Pin. Now our last picture is sim. So you have to insert only I. Okay. This way you have to complete page number 2121. Now take out next page, page number 2222. Page number 2222. Like the same way you have to insert O here, beta. Yes. As per the picture, you have to insert O. O is a vowel. Then first, which picture is this? Pot. So you have to write O here. P-O-T, pot. Next picture is top. T-O. You have to insert O. T-O-P, top. Which picture is this? This is ox. So you have to insert O. O-X, ox. Now which picture is this? This is box. You have to insert O. B-O-X, box. Yes, now which picture is this? This is boy. So you have to insert O. B-O-Y, boy. Okay. Yes, which picture is this beta? This is dog. So you have to insert O here. D-O-G, dog. Then you have to read the spelling also. Now what is this? This is mop. M-O-P, mop. So you have to insert O. Yes, which picture is this? This is fox. So what we have to insert here? O. F-O-X, fox. Okay. Dear kids, take out page number 2323. So what you have to do is look at the picture and write the missing vowels. Again insert vowels over here. Okay. So which picture is this? Sun. So you have to insert only U here. S-U-N, sun. Which picture is this beta? This is hut. So you have to insert U. H-U-T, hut. Okay. Now which picture is this? This is cup. C. You have to insert U. P. Cup. Now which picture is this? This is tub. So you have to insert U here. Then you have to read the words. T-U-B, tub. Yes, which picture is this? This is jug. J-U-G, jug. So you have to insert U here. Okay. Yes. Now, which picture is this? This is cub. C-U-B, cub. Okay. Which picture is this beta? Which picture is this? This is mug. So you have to insert here U. M-U-G, mug. Which picture is this? This is pup. So you have to insert only U. P-U-P, pup. Yes. Which picture is this? Tasty, tasty, bun. So you have to insert U here. Okay. By this way you have to complete page number 2323. Okay. Dear kids. Now take out page number 2424. This page is your homework beta. Yes. Homework. So what you have to do is, you know what is vowels and what is consonant. Color the balloons having vowels with red, and for vowels you have to color red color. Okay. And consonant with blue. Consonant words you have to color with blue. Okay.